Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, me and Braden fishing a little creek, just mixed into the suburbs. So yeah, we're gonna go try to catch some maybe panfish. There's a few bass in there. It's gonna be a good time for sure. So see you down there. Here we are, folks, getting down and dirty. What? Do I look stupid or something? You're looking at me.
They're looking at it. Under the tree, I told you. Oh yeah, I see him. Those are the same. One of those is a bass. Isn't it?
Oh, they are on me like. Oh!
I scared one. They're all just right there.
Oh, baby.
He's on. He's on.
Folks.
Oh. That's written with the this one. Dang!
Hold him up close.
He's a pooper. Hey buddy, I caught a fish. Dang. Oh, that's a bass.
No.
No, it's not a bass, but it's a decent sized sunny boy.
That's a bass.
I got him, Johnny.
First largemouth of the day, folks. Small little guy. Pretty colors though. Let's fire it up.
Look at his tail. That's a big ol' sunny guy.
He's got a big belly on him.
You know what, buddy? I'm gonna name you Buford.
Why Buford?
Because he's Buford the Biggin. Is that casting distance? Oh! They bit the food, dude. Something did down there.
Chill.
That's why I'm telling you. Because there's those weeds. It's not just like snotty mouse.
Chill.
Oh, gosh. Fish? You stole him from me. You had to.
You were not him. I was way off to the left.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I just took you over, right?
He's like, what is this dude doing with me?
See, even this guy ate it. I ain't switching.
Oh, I wanted the double.
Sorry. What do you mean? Yeah, that's bad. Come to Papa. Oh, that's why. 'Cause I keep getting.
Oh, baby.
Oh yeah, bud, with the leaf.
We got a jumper. Oh, my fault.
He got a jumper. Go for it, one of those tiny frogs. Well, we got a surfer. That's an Oscar.
What?
That's not a sunfish, it's an Oscar. It's pretty dark. You got him, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, freak me.
Oh, stuck him through the gills, bruh.
Stuck him through the tree branches, bro.
No, do you see that?
No? Oh gosh. What is that? What kind of buffoonery is going on right there?
Huh?
You don't see that? Oh, pop, pop. Oh, pop, pop. I didn't realize it was so shallow right here. Oh, this is the stanky stuff.
Shoot.
Oh, frick. I'm sinking a foot and a half. Oh, you. You got it? My signature is getting caught in trees.
Well, you cast too far.
Yeah, I guess the ball is fast.
This one's for the YouTube viewers.
And your mom. Oh my god. With the lid. If you saw that fish catch, you have to subscribe.
Haha, gotcha.
Weenies. Ah.
Not that sound. Should I do round two?
Yeah.
For the tube, we're gonna keep the clip rolling.
For the tube.
Oh, he had it. You saw that one, folks. You saw it.
Trust me, they didn't see it.
Shoot.
Bro, I thought you had a monster.
Excuse me, Mr. Gills.
Yep. Oh, no.
There are fish everywhere in here, dude. It's crazy.
Yeah, this tree is stacked. Oh, that's a good size too. Man, I'm sick and tired of getting these bites. No fish at the end of them.
Just gotta get in there, boy.
Oh, there he is. Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Alright, son. Settle down.
I couldn't get him out.
So I'm gonna have to rest.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's a bass. No cap. It's a nice one.
Bigger than mine? No.
Gosh darn it. I see one. Instant, dude.
Was it a large?
Yeah.
Really? Bruh.
What?
Yeah, it's the church through the woods.
There's a trail. Well, folks, little successful creek venture, but it's kind of, yeah. But it's dinner time now, so time to get out of here. Whoa, almost dropped you. Alrighty, folks, we'll see you in the next one. Fishing with Pops today. I just got smoked.
On your swim?
Yeah. Yeah, I saw you get out. I didn't know what you were doing. Holy smokes. The crappie on the square bill, folks.
He engulfed that.
Yeah, it's just a little frustrating. I couldn't keep him pinned. I let him jump though. That was my fault. So as soon as it fell, keep him down. I couldn't tell. Far away, it looked pretty big. Oh, my fault. I set up some line. I messed him up. I hooked him in the net. Got him?
Yeah.
There you go. Nice little fish. Good work. Oh man. Oh. Little catch back there. Good one?
Yeah.
Really? I'm coming. That is a stud today. Well, you're a stud always, but that's a good one. Can't keep him pinned today, sir.
Huh?
Did you not see my fish?
I thought I heard him popping.
Yeah, I can't keep him pinned. Got one? Cast it right in there.
doing?
He wasn't moving. Here we go. Not a bad one. He's thick. Probably a she's thick. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's my first fish of the day. Oh. Is it good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh. Wee little guy. Ah, crap. It's misting. Well, folks. Howdy, folks. Welcome back. It's raining, it's thundering, it's crappy. We're getting the heck out of here. So, hope you all enjoyed this little compilation. I just threw some videos together, so. Oh, wow. Well, folks, we're getting drenched. All right, catch you in the next one.